So, nag-check out na kami guys from this hotel, Barcelo Residence in Marina. We're gonna move to downtown Dubai. Yeah, dun kami sa malapit sa Burj Khalifa. We are now here at Ramada Hotel. We're gonna spend our Christmas in here. So hi guys, I'm just gonna make a quick room tour dito sa Ramada Hotel. So we booked a room that is like have a balcony. It looks like really a room apartment siya. Main door nila. On this side, they're small, cute, but very complete kitchen. So we have washing machine here. Coffee maker at saka mga free water nila, hugasanan, and then cabinets. They have trash can in here, and then
dishwasher.
There, wow, they even have a dishwasher in here, but I'm not gonna use it. And some snacks which is not free, stove, and then I guess they have computer this here from like plates. Living room, guys. Come on. Cozy ng living room nila.
Cozy siya.
TV. Dito yung aming maliit and very comfortable. Dining table. Here you can see the view. The view is not that nice, guys. Ang daming construction sa labas. So, yan.
Construction sa labas.
Let's go to the room, bedroom. Wait muna guys, let's go to our toilet, a bathroom. Wow, it's very huge though. Like we have here a bathtub, and then see here the old amenities, and then sa bedroom namin guys, we have here like dalawang lampshades. Side-by-side table. We have and again a TV dito. Another TV. On this side, glass window naman siya. Ipakita natin sa inyo yung favorite part namin dito, ang aming balcony, guys. Ito yung best sa room na ito. Tada! Super ganda. So, meron kaming dalawang chair dito. And then, ito yung view natin, guys. Nakapag-settle na kami dito sa pangalawang hotel namin, guys. Time check, it is now 1:30 ng tanghali. So, maybe later we're gonna walk around here, downtown Dubai, explore natin yung place. And meron din daw siyang free shuttle to the mall every 30 minutes. Okay, yeah. Basta meron silang free shuttle doon sa mall, so, which is very good. Even malalakad naman siya if Kapuyon ka or Tamarin ka, you can use the shuttle. Labas kami ngayon, guys. So, alas 6 na pala. I was like, nagmadali akong mag-edit ng videos ko kasi delay na siya ng 2 days. So, maglalakad lang tayo. Ito lang ulit yung damit ko. Tapos, magsasapatos lang ako. At saka, I think I'm gonna wear the cup. Naka gym t-shirt lang tayo. Tsaka ganito. Suot lang tayo ng shoes. Wow, sobrang ganda nito, guys. Now going left to the mall. ganap dito. May pa-anniversary si Star Wars. What if muli hukli sila matinood na sila nga mga kuwan? We're here at Joe's Crab Shack, guys, kasi yung food court dito sa mall puno na naman siya, guys. Our table is in here, guys. Then ito yung view namin, yung aquarium siya. So this is our drinks in here, and then yung sasawa ko, cute siya kasi may sharky siya, guys. Ito yung dinner namin. Uwi na pala kami. Yeah, it's 10 p.m. now. Tatapusin ko na itong vlog na to, guys. So, bukas ulit. Thank you so much for watching at pagsubaybay sa ating vlogmas here at Dubai. So, see you tomorrow! So, nag-meet ulit akong friend, akong classmate. Sa college niya siya, si Jackie. So, last time, nakita mo ninyo siya sa vlog. So, kita na po wala kami nag-lunch, guys. Kay, nagplano mi na mag-budol.